When the dorsal spine, normal curvature is slight kyphosis. Same way as the Dowager's hump, there are people who have increased dorsal kyphosis because of poor postures. And a link to our Shawnee. I had mentioned this in the shoulder lecture, that if there is a significantly increased upper dorsal kyphosis, that tends to protract the shoulder girdle, which in turn prevents the shoulder abduction to get better. You see yourself. You protract your this and try to abduct, you will not get full abduction. Whereas you get military attitude, you get full abduction. So, in a lot of people who have upper dorsal increased kyphosis and who have some level of shoulder restriction, get them to go through the physio to get this extension corrected. They will improve their shoulder. Just connect to the dorsal spine. Then how do you look for dorsal spine movements? One is forward bending, of course, bend forward. Bend. Now when you are flexing, if there is a scoliosis in the dorsal spine, because the dorsal spine is connected to the ribs, there will become a rib hump. So imagine she had a scoliosis which is right concave, then it will go like this, which I can feel here but you can't see. Whereas if there was a scoliosis, this side ribs would have become more prominent. So on flexion, I would have seen a rib hump here. Understand? So that is a way to pick up in the spine a scoliosis. Because the dorsal spine is connected with the rib cage. So you cannot get a pure scoliosis. It will have to have a rotational element with it. And since there is a rotational element, the ribs will get prominent on one side. There is a convex side, they will become prominent. The concave side, they will become less. You have to 3D imagination only. या इधर दिखाते हैं. So the dorsal spine has ribs here. So if it is, see, when you bend, there is rotation also. Can you see that? It can't be pure lateral movement, like in the lumbar. So here, with this, there is always a rotation taking place. The dorsal spine extension is difficult. Because then when you start extending, they usually extend the cervical and the lumbar. So what you do is, tell them to grip the neck and block the neck. And then extend. That is dorsal spine extension.